Okay, super short phonics today. It is Thursday, it's near the end of the week. We want to stop doing some phonics now. So, your first job is you've got your 5 tricky words. I would like you to use each one in a sentence, please. The extra challenge for you is, can you make one of those sentences a statement, one of those sentences a question, one of those sentences a command, and can you have a go at an exclamation even if you haven't done today's English yet? Okay, so there's your challenge. 5 sentences, one needs to be a statement, one needs to be a question, one needs to be a command, one needs to be an exclamation, and then you can decide what you want to do for the last one. So pause the video now to write your 5 sentences. Go. Okay, fantastic. Well done for those sentences. So it could be, we went on a wild ride. That could be a statement. Or, what was the most important thing you did today? That could be a question. A command, climb those stairs. And an exclamation could be, what a wild forest this is. Okay, there's my 4. There's my statement, question, command, and exclamation. Right, okay, so today we're going to focus on the last 2 I sounds. We've got I by itself, and then Y when it comes at the end of words. Okay, only ever at the end. Otherwise it makes an E sound. So we've looked at the I quite recently. So it usually comes in the middle of words, followed by an ND consonant cluster or the LD consonant cluster. Okay, and I'm going to give you some examples in a minute. And then the Y, making the I sound, comes at the end of really short words. Okay, so here's your first activity. I have got 10 words down the bottom, and I want you to sort them into the I or the Y. So look at them, read them. Some of them are real and some of them are not real. So once you've sorted them out, I want you to tick the ones that are real and cross the ones, put a cross next to the ones that you think are nonsense words. Okay, pause the video now and I'll go through it afterwards. Go. Okay, hopefully you haven't cheated. Let's have a go at reading these together. So the first one doesn't have the Y in it, so it must be this one. So it's sign. It's not sign, sign. So sign goes there. Okay, and I'm going down here now. I, try. That one goes over here. I, try. Well, the I sound comes at the end, so it's here. Wild, wild, goes there. I, dry, goes here. I, drined. My, I, nined. I, bry, and then this one, I, find. So first of all, you should have your words split like that. Now we're going to tick and cross them. So sign, yeah, that is a word. Wild, it's one of our tricky words for this week. Drined, not a real word. Nined, not a real word. And then find is real. I, try, real. Shry, not real. Dry, real. My, real. And bry, not real. So that's what you should have in your book. Okay, right, I did say it was a short phonics session today, so we're on to our activity. And this is going over all the I sounds from this week. It's kind of like a bit of a recap of everything, really. So you've got some sentences. There are 4 on the board, but there are more on your sheet. I want you to, this is not only is it phonics, this is a bit of handwriting practice as well. I want to see some really nice handwriting. So the plane will fly from the airport all the way to Greece. The word fly is red. I have made a mistake. Which I sound would you have for fly? Copy the sentence out, correcting fly. Here we've got two words. I like cherry pie the best. How do I spell like? How do I spell pie? So I've told you which words are wrong. The white knight needed to fight the vile monster. So knight is spelt correctly, that's why it's not in red. Change the other ones. And then I will let you do the others for yourself. So remember, neatest handwriting, please. You should have plenty of space on the sheet to be able to copy these down onto. And I will see you next week for a new set of graphemes.